talking to you. I'm talking to you. Hey, what just happened? Okay. I'm coming here because of the Eastern Sun and RB Jet. Two names that were at the forefront of my tongue on a Saturday or a Sunday. Down by the round, by the racetrack. 30, gotta be at least 35 years ago, maybe 40. Eastern Sun. And I had to come back and think of these two names because they started to say more. When you start with an EA, it's first of all, EA and S is everything to do with Mars. The reason, because Mars is numeric value 51. The E is the fifth letter. The A is the 1. The A includes inside DC. So when you see, okay, A with an E, it's going to be E, D, C. Deck. Deck the halls with balls of holly. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. When S and T come in, the S is the spirit, and the S is one of the letters they use next to the I, as is, a two-letter word, like as and is, as in Eastern, EASTEARERN. So I'm not sure if you're following where I'm going with this, because number 39 has a total count. Number S and T has a total count of 39. Number TEN is number 39. TEN, the word 10, is number 39, but the number 10 is created by the first four: A first, B second, C third, and D fourth. So now you have all the families. You have the family of ST, which is also in last, as in first. In last, it's LA, 13. LA is last. And FI is first. So it's if, and if is 69. It's in rotation of the heavens, where you bring in the one spirit. I mean, it's funny because number 19, how can I even say it? The 19 is a total of 91. 13 times 7 is 91. And the word spirit is 91. The reverse of that, I never really did. SPIR. Although I look at pirating, spirit, 6 times 27 is 120 and 40, 162. So spirit in the number of letters reversed is 162, and that comes part of the moon, part of the birth, and it's part of the 9th day of the cycle. 9 times 24. 9 times 20 is 180. The angel resident of Venus coming in through Jupiter, Jupiter, dividing this side to that side to bring something in between that's going to stand and be something. Anyways, I have to put that in my head. Teacher and the chosen one. Where was I? I'm a little lost. Yes, we know I'm lost. Wow, I don't remember. I'm gonna have to go back and see this video. I'm gonna have to go back and see this video to see what I was talking about. Number 61, number 90. Oh yes, S and T for Eastern. Did I just turn my book and lose the word? I had the word right in front of me. Wow, the word has disappeared. Oh yeah, there it is. It's on the other page. So let me get back to where I can see me. So we have Eastern and RB Jet. Well, you know, at the end of Jet, it's ET, which is 25, which is Earth. J is the JET, 25, and 10 is 5 times 5 and 5 plus 5. That is your liberty and separation next to 11. 1 times 1, 1 plus 1. And the reason for that, I'm going to try and show you exactly why. It's because A plus B plus C plus D adds up to 10. The 10th letter in reverse is Q or J. There's an equation that goes along with this. The 16, which is a reverse of 91, which is that spirit, and where I got this was the S and T letter coming together is number 39. Okay, it is not just 39. I'm just going to try to explain this. It is both 19 and 29 and 92 and 91 as well as 61. Because I'm going to explain to you why, and because when A, B, C comes together, it becomes 1 between 2. The fourth one will fill in the fourth corner. We have 1 here and 1 here and 1 here. We're going to do it in a simple formation in the square. We can complete like this: A, B, C equals to 6. But the minute we put in that fourth one, okay, it equals to 10 because we can just draw the lines. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So now this 4 is now 1 whole. And it's divided because I was able to connect, and I added 1 just to finish off the scope. It becomes a 3 and a 1, or a 1 and a 3, whichever way you want. And it's divided. If it was the telephone, this would be 3 and this would be 7, where the division is. So the 3 is it 33 split and 77 split? And that, you know what that would say? That would say Christmas. Why? M equals 13, A equals 01, S equals 19. The total is 33. 32 plus 1. Remember, that 1 is very important because it stands for the 1 square. It doesn't stand for the 4 squares. That is the difference. And don't forget also, if this was your 10 at the end with A, B, C, D, I have 4 10s in here. I have 40 and I have 10. So what do I have if I do this? Well, we're going to calculate this. We have 6, 6, 6, 6. We have 24 in this one here. Did you get me? Do you understand why? Because over here in this equation where I was able to go A, B, C, and it totals 6, well, since this one over here, this quarter over here is valued at 6, and there's a quarter here, and then there's 2 more here. So that's 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. That equals to your DC. That is the way one part of the equation is divided up. The fleshy robotic insert us, tried to get us as close to being able to connect. If we can connect our minds, can we be lost and our lost minds holding on to a body that we no longer need, because now we can move our mind from a body into a robotic? But will we get the same feel? Will our minds be able to get the same feel inside this, or stay in the fleshy robotic? We are that fleshy robotic. Can we change who we are? If you change who we are, we wouldn't be who we are anymore. We were who we were, and now we're someone else. You're acting a little strange. So you understand what happened? So the ST, okay, number 39 is talking about T in hold on a second. The T in gematria is the top of the pyramid. It's 676, and that is your 19. I believe you're 18. Okay, you know when you plug something in and you put a puzzle together. Well, when Roulette's putting the puzzle together, I'm assuming somehow that the puzzle goes like this. I'm thinking that over here, okay, is I'm just guessing, uh, is number 13, and then there's um, sorry, this is number 14. Number 14. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I might be making it a little bit more complicated than it should be. Okay, this is number 14, and over here is number 23. And why it's relevant to number 16 and 91, as we were talking, and why 91 and 92 or anything with a 1 and a 2 have to come together, because that is the way we came around to go around our first time we ever went around. And in this situation, if we had to do anything with this, this is the way it would have to look. If we had to round it, when you open a door, if I would open the door, what would happen to the shape? If I turned made the two go like this. Anyways, so we remember in the church is 61, and the gold is 38, and in French it's 33. Okay, the silver is 85, and argent is the same for silver. The entity, right? The ragdoll entity, the 791, the gateway of the spirit entity, 552, 552, 197, right? Put these two together, put these two together, put these two together, and find out the story of what it is. But what I'm talking about is from this 16, we have 76. And then we have 42 and 13. If you minus it or you add it, you end up with this. You end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. So now I divide everything by the 5. 14, 1 and 4, 5, 2 and 3, 5. This will create this. Can this create this? No, this can create this. But when this is created, this is created. And then this is created, and A, B, C, D is created, equaling to 10J, which is the reverse, is the Q. Q and on. And non, okay, is because of the undivided. Or you reunite it if you want. Reunited because in the word, okay, in this word, it becomes this. 5, 6, 5, and it must come out because it's new order world. 14, 15, 23. Why did I put that? I shouldn't have put that right now. I was supposed to put NON. I don't know why I did that. Why did I do that? I have to question myself. I went over here. I got to think of it. But 565 is also for, I did it for this. New World Order is this, but it's now. Who won? One won, Neo. Red Sun, DNA, and der Sun, Neo Anderson, one red sun. So this over here, what happens is, I don't know if I should have did it this way. Can I do it a little fatter? I need to make it fatter. I want to make it fatter. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to close it down like this. And this is the plugin. And in the plugin, did I get this right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is an obligation. Now, you might not know what it is, but I can show you, okay, roulette betting area. I need to get something big. Tools, size, large. I need to see big. We want to see big. Okay, you're going to see big. Oh, I can see big. Sorry about that. Wow, I can't even get anything to pop out, right? So much for that. So let me see if I can find you another one. Okay, maybe we can see it right here. Okay, hold on a second. Where is my video? Okay, make me smaller so I can show you this. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, see, and it's see this board over here? Okay, I just showed you the design here. Here's number 14, right? The 15 and the 13 are going to stay down there. Maybe it shouldn't be that way, but the 13 and the 15 will stay down there. That's the 28 cycle. It's staying on this side. It's going to stay with the first 12. This is where the plug-in is, right? I could do it the opposite way. I can keep 14 and 23 in, but right now I've taken 13 and 15 and I put it over there. Both of those, okay? Or I can put it in here, but I'm going to show you the design. So these two numbers and these two numbers, see the pattern, 2 in the center and 4 on the outside. So now I'm going to finish off the pattern. Hold on a second. Where 13, 16, 19, 22. Okay, where let me see if we can do this. 13, 15, 22, 24, and wait a second, and 17 and 20. So you see that, right? And you got to make more of these. 17 and 20, 13, 20, 39, 28, 46. So the flip side of this one, okay, here's your 46, here's your 28. So now we know we have a flip side answer. 28, 46. 28 reverse is 46. And I can show you other ways to find, where am I? I can show you other ways to, where am I? Can't find myself in the camera. Oh, because I'm not showing the whole camera. Hold on a second. Okay, right. This one was why I say this is pi is because pi is 3.1415, and then these two together create 92 or 29, right? Which brings in number 19, right? And then the next one is 6.5, and here is 5, and here is 6. So it's like right away the beginning of pi. So if pi is so mysterious, well then no should be mysterious along with it. Then over here, we finished the design with the connected reds. I mean, you want to look at it as the letter I. You want to look at it as the H. Same way, you look at it over here. Hold on a second. You look at it right here. 2 corners, right? 2 corners, open space. Right over here, it's the same thing. So when we get what we just did, and we went to the ABCDs over here, the center part, right? The center part flip was 17 and 20. 20 reverse 17. So that would be 8 and 2, the cycle. But since there's a 0, we'd now have 88. 2 doesn't go anywhere. 2 gets, see the 1 and the 6, the 2 and the 6, the 3 and the 6, You remember I says that's what it is? But once you get the 4 and the 6 equals to 10 equals to 1, you have started all over again. So there's no more than ABC. And this would be 666, and that would be 18, and this would be 30, 40, 50, and this would be 60 and 18. I can say 6, but I'm using it on the left side, so it's 60. Otherwise, it'd be 96. Did I get that right? No, why would it be 96? 666 is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 equals to 24. See here, it's 96, and 96 equals to 24, which equals to 1/4 valued at DNA. And then 1/4 is also valued at 25%. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. This is the gold rush of knowledge. Thank you for watching this video.